What if I told you the moon is now made entirely of electrons? Not atoms, not plasma, just electrons. 7.35 times 10 to the 22nd kilograms of pure negative charge. Electrons hate each other. Put too many in one place and they'll do everything they can to get away. That much repulsion would cause the moon to explode instantly, before we even finish this sentence. And then, boom, not just a bang, the biggest electrostatic detonation in the universe. The blast wouldn't just light up the sky, it would rewrite the atmosphere. Every electron in that moon? It's now looking for somewhere else to be, like here. Global lightning storms. Static so strong, clouds would catch fire. Your phone? Fried. Your hair? On fire. Your goldfish? Technically now a plasma. But hey, at least now your socks will finally stick to the ceiling. Meanwhile, Earth's magnetic field just gives up. Birds lose all sense of direction. So do airplanes. And magnets. Electrons and wires panic. Your toaster? Now a tiny railgun. Global infrastructure shorts out. Civilization enters the age of sparks. And yet, someone still tries to charge their phone. The laws of physics? They're filing a complaint. Meanwhile, electrons begin organizing. Congratulations! You've triggered the first subatomic revolution. Humanity responds the only way it knows how, with a PowerPoint. And someone, somewhere, still insists, but what if we try it with positrons instead? The positron moon lasted 5 microseconds longer, then annihilated. Spectacularly. Earth is now a charged particle bath with decorative continents. But on the bright side, the power bill, completely gone. Astronomers quietly return the moon to its previous status, mostly harmless. And somewhere, in a bunker, a new plan is forming. What if the sun were electrons? At the end of the day, the question wasn't, could we make an electron moon? It was, why were we allowed to ask that in the first place? And somewhere, future civilizations will find the remnants and assume the moon was always like that. So remember, just because you can imagine it, doesn't mean you should lunar engineer it. Meanwhile, the original moon, made of boring, reliable rock, watches silently from the multiverse. Quantum historians may one day call this the Charge Age. A brief era, but incredibly well lit. Ultimately, it taught us one thing. What if we just left the moon alone next time?